Ladies and gentlemen, welcome. My name is Peter Oluoch, a stock market researcher and investor. I talk to people about the stock market, telling them to save, invest, and grow wealth. I also talk to people about cryptocurrency, telling them to save, invest, and grow wealth. Today's topic is this: should you save your money in cryptos or you should save your money in SACCOs? SACCOs versus cryptos. Where should you save your money? Well, ladies and gentlemen, I'm driven by one thing: compounding. I'm driven by one thing: rate of return. I'm driven by one thing: where can our money grow quickly? Legit ways how our money can grow. Well, we've been told that you can put your money in the bank. Well, it's true, you can put your money in the bank, but it grows slowly. You can put your money in the SACCO. It's true, but again, it also grows slowly. If you can put your money in the insurance, again true, but it also grows slowly. You can put your money in the money market, true, but it also again grows very slowly. Hey, too slow one. Me, I don't want slow growth. Me, I want my money to grow quickly. So then what is disturbing me is, how do I make my money grow quickly? I'm an aggressive investor. I'm an aggressive researcher. I'm aggressive in growing my money. The reason is very simple. I have nothing. Man, I have nothing. No car, no house, no nothing. I have nothing. I own nothing. So then what I want as an individual is that my money grows, and my money grows quickly. And as my money grows quickly, then I'll be able to have some of these things people have. I'll be able to buy my own house. I'll be able to buy my own car. And I'll be able to live the comfortable life that many of us aspire to have or aspire to live. So ladies and gentlemen, stock market versus SACCOs versus cryptocurrency. Where should you put your money? My advice is very simple. Put your money in cryptos. But first learn. Because cryptos is very complex and very risky. You can lose your money. My urge to you is very simple: learn. Then save your money in cryptos. If you don't want to learn, then you can buy Bitcoin. Then hold for the next 10 years. You will be very far. Buy Bitcoin, hold for the next 5 years or 10 years. The value will always go up. If you look at historical records of how Bitcoin has performed over the last 5 years or 10 years, Bitcoin has always gone up. So buying Bitcoin is a better investment advice. Buy Bitcoin. Keep buying more and keep accumulating. It is better than keeping your money in the SACCO, where it grows by 10% per year, because you can get better returns of growth if you put your money in Bitcoin or cryptocurrencies for that matter. Ladies and gentlemen, I welcome you to class. I run VIP classes where I teach people about saving, investing, growing wealth in the stock market. If you are not part of our class, please join the class. You'll be happy that you did. I run classes, and the main purpose of these classes is one: to teach us on savings, on investing, and on growing wealth. I don't want any of us to be broke. I don't want any of us to be poor. I want all of us to be rich and comfortable. And we can all be rich and comfortable. There is no reason why you should not be rich. There is no reason why you should not live comfortable life. And there is no reason why any of us should be broke. Being broke is unacceptable. We have 30 years to work. Actually 35. So then you have 30 years to save. You have 30 years to invest and live a comfortable life. All of us must live a comfortable life. That is my challenge to all of us. Some people say, especially where I come from, Nadier Tangiogo. Nadier to Angiogo. As in, a man is broke and is used to being broke or being poor. ladies and gentlemen, we must not accept to be broke and poor and you are used to it. Dier tingi yogo manonge. We must stop the concept of we are broke and you are poor and you are used to it. You must get uncomfortable with being broke. You must get uncomfortable with being poor. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much. God bless you and have a nice time. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And also have a request. You can share this video with your friends. Drop it in a WhatsApp group. We must get uncomfortable with being broke and being poor. Bye. See you in the next video. If you already like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you're not in our Telegram group, join our Telegram group. Bye.